In a narration found in Sunnah ibn Majah, number 253, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the one who obtains religious knowledge in order to show off to scholars, argue with others or attract attention to themselves will go to hell. Even though the foundation of all good in both worldly and religious matters is knowledge, Muslims must understand that knowledge will only benefit them when they firstly correct their intention, meaning they strive to obtain and act on knowledge in order to please Allah, the Exalted. All other reasons will only lead to a loss of reward and even punishment if a Muslim fails to sincerely repent. In reality, knowledge is like rainwater which falls on different types of trees. Some trees grow by this water in order to benefit others, such as a fruit tree, whereas other trees grow by this water and become a nuisance to others. Even though the rainwater is the same in both cases, yet the outcomes are very different. Similarly, religious knowledge is the same for people, but if one adopts the incorrect intention, then it will become a means of their destruction. Conversely, if one adopts the correct intention, it will become a means of their salvation. Muslims should therefore correct their intention in all matters, as they will be judged on this. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. And they should remember that one of the first people to enter hell will be a scholar who only obtains knowledge in order to show off to others. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 4923. In addition, one must couple their good intention with acting on their knowledge, as knowledge without action is not beneficial knowledge, it is merely information. Failing to act on one's knowledge is like a doctor who fails to implement their knowledge of medicine to treat people. The same way they do not benefit themselves or others, neither does a Muslim who possesses Islamic knowledge and fails to implement it. In fact, this person has been compared to a donkey that carries books of knowledge. Chapter 62 Al-Jamua, verse 5.
The example of those who were entrusted with the Torah and then did not take it on is like that of a donkey who carries volumes of books.
In addition, whoever conceals knowledge without a valid reason will be bridled with fire on Judgment Day. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2649. Therefore, Muslims must share the useful knowledge they gain with others. It is simply foolish not to, as this is one of the righteous deeds which will benefit a Muslim even after they die. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunnah ibn Majah, number 241. Those who hoarded knowledge were forgotten by history, but those who shared it with others became known as the scholars and teachers of mankind. Finally, the purpose of gaining knowledge is not to defeat others in debates. The duty of a Muslim is to present the truth to others correctly with strong evidence. They have not been assigned the duty of forcing people to accept the truth through argumentation and debating. This attitude only pushes people further from the truth. Instead, one should explain the truth to people without arguing and show this truth by acting on it themselves. This is how the righteous predecessors behaved, and this method is much more effective in bringing others towards the truth.